Finish ceramic tile edges where the floor meets the wall or carpet with a clean, durable profile that prevents chipping and looks intentional. When the tile meets a wall, start by measuring the exposed edge and choose a trim that matches the tile thickness and room style, such as a metal edge trim, bullnose tile, or Schluter style profile. For metal or aluminum edge strips, cut to length with a hacksaw, dry fit the piece so it sits flush with the tile face, then bed it into the thinset before setting the adjacent tiles so the lip captures the tile edge evenly. For bullnose tile or preformed ceramic cap, thinset the cap piece on top of the installed tile and press straight down, making sure grout joints align. Allow full cure time before grouting. Where tile meets carpet, create a transition by either tucking the carpet edge under a metal transition strip that overlaps the tile edge or by installing a reducer profile that slopes from tile to carpet height. Trim the carpet backing so it can slide under the strip without bunching. Use grout to fill the joint between tile and wall where rigid walls meet tile, and use a paintable, low-modulus silicone caulk at changes in plane or where minor movement will occur for a waterproof flexible seal. Always check level and plane continuously, allow adhesives to cure to manufacturer's recommendations, and clean excess thinset or grout immediately so the trim seats tightly and finishes flush. Common mistakes include using rigid grout instead of flexible caulk at a movement joint, which leads to cracking. Fix this by routing a small bead and applying a high-quality silicone or polyurethane caulk that matches the grout color. Another issue is selecting a trim that does not match tile thickness, causing a lipped or recessed edge. Avoid this by measuring tile plus bedding mortar fully and selecting a profile sized for the finished assembly or shim the trim during installation so it sits flush. A third problem is trimming carpet too short so it pulls out from under the transition strip. Solve this by leaving a small allowance of carpet backing to tuck under the strip and use a strong double-sided carpet tape or flooring adhesive under the tuck for long-term retention. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project examples and how-to discussions that relate directly to finishing tile edges. We provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors and homeowners find one another for real projects.